nice. Oh, those people want to get on, but
Is that what they are?
yeah. I think we'll just go back up to 2 and get off because those people want to get on.
For sure. Yeah, I'm fine with one ride.
This is just a Dover Impulse. It's not really even anything special.
Just older. It's an older
It's
Impulse.
an 8. Can I look at the buttons?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to like hog up the elevator.
They used to have a camera in here.
Guess not.
Or they put the brackets up to put cameras and just never got around to it.
Yeah. Okay, let's let these people on.
They're gonna wonder why we got back off.
Okay. Want to get the doors closing. That's it.